In this video, we're looking at the evolution of a lovespoon design. A couple of weeks ago, you may remember that we had a design sent to us by Gavin. For anyone who doesn't, we'll put a photo of that design up for you to be able to see. But that design has actually proved the catalyst to another design. So that's what we're looking at today, is how an idea and a design, how it can evolve over a period of time, and how you can develop a design in all sorts of different ways. If we start off by looking at the original design, what actually happened, Gavin sent us our design, sent his design, and just recapping what happened, he mentioned that he'd be interested in seeing our take on his design. So that was our take on Gavin's design. So I went through a process where I slightly tweaked Gavin's original design and made it more in keeping with my own style. But in the meantime, things have sort of moved along in a way for us, and another idea has actually been presented to us using Gavin's original idea. Now, the idea has actually come from my wife. She saw that design and she thought it was absolutely beautiful. But she had an idea of how she wanted to take that design and to adapt it and to evolve it slightly into another design. This is the design that we have developed based on the idea that originally came from Gavin, and then secondly then came from my wife. So what she wanted to do was to replace the top heart, so you can see our heart at the top here. She wanted to replace that with a rose. And being Spanish, we're going to give this design a Spanish name. We're going to call it Rosa del Amor. That is going to be the name of this design, because I actually think this is going to be a popular design, and we're going to put this one then in our online lovespoon shop. But the idea of this video then is to explain how you can get ideas and thoughts coming from different people and bring that all together into a unique and original lovespoon design. So after this, we've got a time lapse showing the hand carving of this particular design. But as you can see, it's based on Gavin's idea, but we've replaced that top heart with the rose and then that heart just below. And there's a bit of a story and a message then in this lovespoon design. Rosa del Amor translates as the rose of love, or love's rose. And that's the idea then of this video, is to show you how we've taken a few different ideas and we bring them all together and we've created a unique lovespoon. So what we're going to do, we're going to go across now into the time lapse and show you how we've actually hand carved that lovespoon. There you have it. that was just a quick time lapse showing you how we've made our Rosa dell'Amore love spoon. Hope you've enjoyed that one. That is the actual finished love spoon. This video as well, we've also set ourselves a little bit of a challenge, because what we've done, we've filmed and edited this all together in one day. It was a little bit of a challenge that I set myself to see if it was possible. If you have enjoyed seeing how that love spoon was made and how we've evolved Gavin's original idea and added the idea of my wife to the design as well, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. If you're new here and you like what we do, don't forget to subscribe and ring that bell so you know when we upload another video. And as always, thank you again for watching.